Welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, bringing you the latest reviews, news, and insights. If you're passionate about bikes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly special for you: the 2026 BSA Gold Star. Originating in the 1930s, the Gold Star was known for its performance and style. After a hiatus, BSA Motorcycles, under the Mahindra Group, revived this iconic model. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 BSA Gold Star, a modern classic that pays homage to its roots while embracing contemporary advancements. At first glance, the 2026 Gold Star captures the essence of its predecessors. The teardrop fuel tank, chrome detailing, and round headlamp exude vintage charm. However, it's not just about looks. The bike features a tubular steel dual cradle frame, 41mm telescopic front forks, and twin rear shocks with 5-step preload adjustability, ensuring a blend of classic aesthetics and modern engineering. News Bites 1. Under the tank lies a 652 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This power plant delivers 45 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 55 Newton-meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, the Gold Star offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets, this engine provides a thrilling yet comfortable ride. News Bites 1. Safety and control are paramount, and the Gold Star doesn't disappoint. Equipped with Brembo calipers, the bike features a 320mm front disc and a 255mm rear disc, both with dual-channel ABS. The suspension setup includes 41mm telescopic forks at the front and twin rear shocks with 5-step preload adjustability, ensuring a balanced and stable ride across various terrains. Zigwheels.com 2. While the Gold Star embraces its retro roots, it doesn't shy away from modern technology. The twin-pod analog instrument cluster includes digital inserts, providing essential information at a glance. Additional features like a USB charging port, engine immobilizer, and a 12V socket for jacket heaters enhance convenience and rider comfort. Zigwheels.com 2. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the Gold Star boasts a seat height of 780mm, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. The ergonomics are tailored for both city commuting and long-distance touring, offering a relaxed yet engaging riding position. Motonindia.com 3. With a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters and an impressive fuel efficiency of 70.6 miles per gallon WMTC, the Gold Star ensures fewer stops at the pump. This makes it an ideal companion for long rides and daily commutes alike. Motonindia.com 3. In the UK, the 2026 BSA Gold Star is priced between £6,500 and £7,000. In India, it's expected to be priced around 3.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, positioning it as a premium offering in the retro motorcycle segment. This pricing places it in competition with models like the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. News Bites 1. Owning a BSA Gold Star is more than just having a motorcycle. It's about being part of a legacy. The BSA community, with its rich history and passionate enthusiasts, offers a sense of camaraderie and shared appreciation for classic motorcycles. Adrenaline culture of speed 4. Like any motorcycle, the Gold Star has its strengths and areas for improvement. On the positive side, it offers a perfect blend of classic design and modern performance, backed by a reputable brand. However, some riders might find its weight of 213 kilograms slightly on the heavier side, and the dealer network is still expanding in certain regions. Adrenaline culture of speed 5. The 2026 BSA Gold Star stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and heritage. It successfully marries retro styling with modern engineering, offering a riding experience that's both nostalgic and exhilarating. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the Gold Star promises to deliver a memorable journey. Thank you for joining us on this detailed review of the 2026 BSA Gold Star. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the passion alive.